You ever seen a '74 Chevrolet El Camino tear up the street and haul a load all in the same hour? That's what I live for. This ain't just a pickup, it's a muscle car with a bed, and I build these beauties to make jaws drop wherever they roll. I yanked out the tired old 350 and stuffed in a stroked 383, topped with a holly carb and long tube headers that'll make your neighbors hate you and your competition jealous. The stance, dropped just right, with beefy meats out back and polished Cragars that catch every eye at the stoplight. Inside I kept it classic, bench seat, new gauges, and a shifter that feels like it's made for drag racing. Chrome in all the right places, paint so deep you could swim in it, and a rumble that shakes your bones and wakes the whole block. The ladies, can't keep them out of the garage when this thing fires up, always lending a hand or handing me a cold drink. This El Camino isn't just a car, it's a statement. Fast, loud, and ready to haul anything from tools to trophies. So what do you think? Could your ride keep up, or would you rather see me build something crazier next? Drop your dream car in the comments, and let's see who's got guts. This ain't for the faint of foot. You in?